Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Podcast Studio, the home of real, useful, and fun English learning. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sophie. Today's episode is going to be a blast because we're diving into the vocabulary you'll hear in almost every American TV show.
If you've ever watched Friends, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, or The Office, you've heard these words and expressions, but do you actually know what they mean, or how to use them naturally?
Exactly. Today, we're going to break down 10 must-know words and phrases you'll hear all the time in American TV shows, and of course, we'll act them out with fun mini-dialogues and real context.
Alright, number 1, and possibly the sassiest word ever, whatever. Oh my god, whatever can mean so many things. But in shows, especially sitcoms, it's often used to shut down a conversation or show indifference. Like this, mock sarcastically, you think you're smarter than me. Whatever. It's like saying I don't care, but rudely.
Right. It's the ultimate dismissive phrase.
Number 2, seriously. You'll hear this all the time in Grey's Anatomy or How I Met Your Mother. It's usually an emotional reaction, like disbelief, annoyance, or sarcasm.
Exactly. Here's an example. You forgot my birthday? Seriously?
It's short, emotional, and very American. Next up, come on. This one has at least 3 meanings in TV shows. Let's act them out. 1. Encouragement.
Alex, you can do it. Just try again.
Sophie, come on, I'm trying. 2. Frustration. Sophie, you ate the last slice of pizza. Come on. 3. Let's go.
Alex, come on. We're gonna be late.
This one's dramatic and used for comic effect in shows like Modern Family. You gotta be kidding me means I can't believe this just happened.
Exactly. Imagine this. You walk into the kitchen and the dog is sitting on the table eating your sandwich. You just go. You gotta be kidding me. This one's short and powerful. It means I agree, I'll join, or I accept the plan. It's all over heist movies or shows like Stranger Things.
We sneak out at midnight and break into the lab. I'm in. Love that line. It always sounds cool. This one is super expressive. It can mean surprise, shock, or disbelief. Like, you met Taylor Swift at Starbucks. No way. Or it could be a refusal. Lend you $100. No way.
One of the coldest TV phrases ever. Deal with it. It means, that's your problem now. It's often used in family comedies or action shows.
We are moving to Texas. But I don't want to go. Too bad. Deal with it. This one means something is unfair, wrong, or shocking. Like this. He dumped her over text. Wow. That's messed up.
A more polite way of saying what the hell. It's a soft swear.
Kids use it a lot. What the heck is that noise? I'm done, a powerful phrase used when you've had enough. Often used dramatically. You always ignore me. I'm done. Or comedically, they just cancelled my favorite show. I'm done.
Alright, team, we are not done yet. If you thought those first 10 expressions were hot, wait till you hear these next ones.
Yep. These are equally juicy and they come up all the time in shows like Friends, New Girl, Gilmore Girls, The Big Bang Theory, and even crime shows like CSI or NCIS.
Let's kick it off with number 11, give me a break. This doesn't mean you need to take a nap. It's actually a phrase for frustration or disbelief.
Right. It's like saying you've got to be kidding me, or that's unfair. Example. You're blaming me for this. Give me a break. This one's often used at the end of a conversation, especially when someone's leaving or is a bit too fired up. It's a friendly or calming phrase.
Hey, take it easy, man. We'll figure it out. Or, okay, I gotta go. Take it easy. This one's super common in American hospitality. You'll hear it in family or sitcom scenes.
Hey, come on in. Make yourself at home. It's basically, relax, be comfortable, feel like this is your place. You'll hear this in every cop show. It means I'll take care of it right now.
The suspect is heading west. Got it. I'm on it. It's also used in workplaces. We need someone to fix the printer. I'm on it. A super supportive phrase, especially during emotional scenes. It means, don't give up, stay strong. I know it's been tough, but hang in there.
This one's a classic in shows with competitions or performances. It means you did something perfectly. That presentation. You nailed it. Or, your audition was amazing, nailed it.
This is a fun one from shows like Full House. It means, stop doing that. Usually playful. You're poking me again. Cut it out. This means someone is acting crazy or irrational. It's dramatic and fun. You think aliens are controlling your cat? Dude, you've lost it. Perfect for quick storytelling. It means let me give you the summary. So long story short, the dog ate my homework. It skips all the boring parts. This is said when someone's testing your patience. It's a warning kind, but serious. Okay, I let you borrow my car, but now you want to borrow my phone and my laptop. Don't push it.
How many of these have you heard in your favorite shows? Let us know in the comments or message us your favorite line from a TV series.
Now, it's all about love, heartbreak, drama, and betrayal, the emotional stuff that makes TV addictive.
That's right. We are going into those juicy expressions you always hear in romantic comedies, teen dramas, and those I love you but I hate you kind of shows. Classic line from romance or ex-drama. It means the relationship status isn't simple, usually full of emotions, history, or confusion.
Are you two still together? It's complicated. We all know what that means. A terrifying sentence in every romantic or dramatic show. It's code for something serious or bad is about to be discussed. And it never ends well. Hey, we need to talk. Cue the breakup music. This means I'm not romantically interested in him. It's used in dating scenes or when friends are teasing someone. He's cute. He's not my type. Totally normal line in shows like Sex and the City.
Powerful phrase, usually said after heartbreak or drama. It means I've moved on. I don't care anymore. It's a lie half the time on TV.
Are you still mad about the breakup? No, I'm over it. Cut to her crying in her car. Used after a character makes a mistake in love or friendship. It means I did something wrong. It's emotional, like I lied to her. I messed up. Cue the sad piano music again.
OOF, the ultimate friendzone phrase. It means there's nothing romantic happening. But usually, one person wants more.
Every teen show uses this.
You and Jake have been texting a lot. Relax. We're just friends. Yeah, sure. Modern slang, huge in dating culture and shows. It means he suddenly stopped replying or disappeared without explanation. How's that guy from the coffee shop? Nothing. He ghosted me. Another slang phrase. It means I started to develop romantic feelings. It usually starts casual, then boom, emotions.
It was just supposed to be fun. But I caught feelings. Now the real drama begins. This is rom-com royalty. It means he's the perfect person for me, maybe even my soulmate.
How do you know? I just feel it. He's the one. Expect romantic music, a kiss in the rain, or fireworks. One of the most emotional lines ever. It means you hurt me deeply by ending the relationship or betraying me. You'll hear it in every romance drama or emotional scene. You said you loved me, then you left. You broke my heart. Cue slow motion and tears.
Hey there, friends, listeners, learners, and language lovers from around the world. I'm speaking to you today not just as the voice behind the English podcast studio, but as the mind and heart behind it too. This isn't just a channel. This isn't just another place to learn vocabulary, grammar rules, or idioms in isolation. This is a vision, a project, and a commitment to helping you transform your English, not just for tests, but for real life. For your dreams. For your future. Let me take you deep into what we are doing here and why. At the English Podcast Studio, our first and strongest goal is to take English out of the textbook and bring it into the real world. We focus on natural English, the kind people actually speak in TV shows, social media, relationships, workplaces, and everyday life. Because what's the point of learning the pen is on the table if you can't order a coffee, answer a phone call, or flirt with someone on a date in English? We create episodes that show how English really sounds. How it's used by native speakers in real situations, full of tone, emotion, slang, and story. When you listen to us, you feel like you're part of the room. Like you're eavesdropping on two friends, and slowly your brain starts copying the rhythm, the phrases, the emotional tone. This is language immersion through storytelling and chemistry, not just vocabulary lists. Every episode is built around a theme that feels useful, powerful, and modern. Whether it's stop using these basic words, TV expressions you hear everywhere, romantic vocabulary you'll actually use, business words you need in 2025, how to argue in English like a pro. We don't just define words. We act them out. We show you tone. We give you context. We show you emotion. Because you don't learn words by memorizing. You learn them when you feel them. Our format is perfect for YouTube learners. We keep our intros tight, our content structured with chapters and timestamps, and our tone casual and friendly. We use thumbnails, titles, and descriptions optimized for YouTube's algorithm because our goal isn't just to teach you. It's to reach you. We want these podcasts to pop up in your feed, grab your attention, and make you want to learn, even if you're tired, busy, or distracted.